Today I want to share with you guys two combinations that some of you might have never thought about. Most of you know this device as the Xreal Beam Pro. This device was specifically designed for the Xreal 1, which is this glass right here. Together they make a spatial computing where you can watch 3D movies, browse spatial windows, do all kinds of activities, gaming, and all kinds of stuff. And then there is this right here, which is the Meta Quest 3. This is a VR device that can be used to also do spatial computing, watch 3D movies, and all kinds of stuff. Well, if you do happen to have both devices, here's something cool that you can do with both devices that some people might have never thought about. And that is 3D spatial computing. More specifically, using this device right here, which is the Xreal Beam Pro. Now, those who know Xreal Beam Pro know that this device is capable of recording 3D videos. What makes this very capable of a 3D video opposed to something like an iPhone, which also can record special 3D videos, but what makes this one a whole lot better is the gap between the camera. So most typical cameras, right, are just too close to create that proper depth that will make for immersive 3D. This one is spaced out enough where when you actually play back a video in 3D, it pops a whole lot more. It doesn't look artificial. It looks very true of a 3D. Also, this was specifically designed to be able to capture 3D content. When you capture all your 3D content, you can easily display it on this and get a very immersive experience because with VR, your peripherals and everything is completely covered, so you have a better 3D experience with this. You can use this to capture videos as well, but it's not the same as having a special, having cameras dedicated for 3D effects. With this, you can have your family around. You can just capture all around. For example, I took this on a cruise with me and I was capturing everything on the ship, and it just looks so beautiful capturing the entire ship with this right here. And then I can play it back on this device right here. One of the reasons why I'm doing this video was because I saw an ad that was being advertised as a device that was meant to capture 3D content for devices like Meta Quest, and I said, wow, this is actually pretty sweet. And then I looked at the price tag, $899. That's $900. I was like, oh no, this is too much for a 3D camera. Nah, this thing right here is like 150 to 200 depending on if you catch it on sale or not. And I thought to myself, we have a device here that's perfectly capable of capturing 3D content for this. If you're looking to buy a 3D camera specifically for this, you might as well just buy this because you can do a whole lot more. Now, the thing is, I understand with this one, you can capture a much higher quality, but I mean, for family things and, you know, just capturing memories, I feel like this is perfectly fine. You don't need this $900. Now, obviously, if you're doing some professional work, then yes, maybe this might be the device for you. But if not, this right here is the perfect device. Not only can you do 3D content from this to this, you really can use this to actually control this as far as settings. You can see here, I have my battery life controller and all that stuff on, from this shown here. And I can even cast like my view from this. I can even cast this to this device right here. So you can literally change your settings and do everything that you would typically be able to do on a mobile cell phone with this. So you just, if you happen to have this, like I said, this is a good spatial computing. Maybe you're thinking about getting this and you're trying to figure out another reason. Well, this is another reason why I feel like you should get this. Anyways, I wanted to make a quick video in case you guys haven't thought about it, using this to capture your videos, your memories, and rewatching it on your Meta Quest 3. This too will also still give you a very good experience. So that is another thing to consider if you are looking to get this on sale. But anyway, thanks guys for watching. Happy Thanksgiving.